Welcome to Today in History. On August 19th, history was anything but ordinary. From epic discoveries to quirky coincidences, we're diving into 20 fascinating facts that will have you laughing, gasping, and definitely wanting more. So, get ready for a roller coaster ride through time. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a chance to explore history's coolest moments. Number 20. On August 19, 1960, the Soviet Union's Sputnik 5 safely returned to Earth with two dogs, Belka and Strelka, space puppies for the win. Number 19. In 1692, on August 19th, 5 people were hanged in Salem, Massachusetts for witchcraft, proof that Salem wasn't exactly the best place for an autumn getaway. Number 18. August 19th, 1989, marked the first flight of the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. It's so stealthy you almost didn't hear about it. Number 17. On August 19th, 1848, the New York Herald reported the discovery of gold in California. Cue the rush of folks who didn't mind getting their hands dirty, literally. Number 16. August 19th, 1934, saw the election of Adolf Hitler as Führer of Germany. Democracy called in sick that day, permanently. Number 15. On August 19th, 1909, the first automobile race was held at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. It was a wild ride, without seatbelts, of course. Number 14. August 19th, 1612, saw the birth of Blaise Pascal, the French mathematician who invented the first mechanical calculator. He truly calculated his way into history. Number 13. On August 19, 1953, the CIA orchestrated a coup in Iran, toppling Prime Minister Mossadegh. Espionage, politics, and oil. Because history loves a good plot twist. Number 12. August 19, 1939, saw the world premiere of The Wizard of Oz. Somewhere over the rainbow, the world turned technicolor and didn't look back. Number 11. On August 19, 1945, Ho Chi Minh declared Vietnam's independence from Japan. History's reminder that freedom is worth fighting for, even if you have to write it yourself. Number 10. August 19, 1991, marked the beginning of the Soviet coup attempt against Mikhail Gorbachev. Spoiler, it didn't work out as planned. Number 9. On August 19, 1883, a volcano eruption on Krakatoa began, the loudest sound ever recorded, and proof that Mother Nature has a serious temper. Number 8. August 19, 1849, saw the invention of the first practical safety pin by Walter Hunt, a sharp idea that saved countless wardrobe malfunctions. Number 7. On August 19, 1942, the Dieppe raid took place during World War II, a brutal and costly test run for the D-Day landings. History's toughest rehearsal. Number 6. August 19, 1981, saw 2 U.S. Navy F-14 Tomcats shoot down Libyan jets in the Gulf of Sidra. Maverick wasn't even needed. Number 5. On August 19, 1900, the Boxer Rebellion in China ended with foreign troops capturing Beijing. History's reminder that revolutions often have more foreign visitors than tourists. Number 4. August 19, 1964, saw the Beatles perform at the Hollywood Bowl. Beatlemania reached new heights, and probably some new decibel records too. Number 3. On August 19, 1936, Spain's Federico Garcia Lorca was executed. His poetry lived on, making him immortal, despite his tragic and untimely death. Number 2. August 19, 2004, marked the opening of the Athens Summer Olympics. The Olympics returned home, and Greece lit the torch for history once more. Number 1. On August 19, 1999, a total solar eclipse swept across Europe and Asia. The sun took a dramatic break, and the world watched in awe. Thanks for joining us on this historical adventure. If these incredible facts left you curious, amused, or just wanting more, be Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for daily history fun. See you next time on Today in History.